Well, hi, and thanks for joining us here today at Hunt Club Nissan. My name is Jason. Let's take a look at our 2015 Nissan Rogue SL in this beautiful jade metallic. This actual color isn't even available anymore. And this vehicle features great options like navigation, leather, panoramic moonroof, and these LED projector headlights here. So these are auto-leveling headlights. You don't have to worry about that anymore. And they're actually powered by LEDs, so you're going to get super bright, great visibility at nighttime. You got that nice LED swoosh light around there too, and then your fog lights just down below. Moving around to the side of the vehicle, you get a set of nice 18-inch alloy wheels, disc brakes all the way around, and a tire pressure monitoring system. Up above here, you can see you get body-colored mirror caps with that integrated turn signal and your around view camera system. Coming around to the backside right here, you see you got a nice privacy tint for the rear passengers, and your fuel fillers on the passenger side as well. So you go down here, push this little button, beep, beep, beep. Your power lift gate opens up to reveal tons of storage space. Woo, it's what everybody wants. You also get a nice tonneau cover up here for added privacy when you want to have it. And you also have the divide and height storage system, so you can actually take these little floors and adjust their heights. So you could have this little storage floor come up here, or if you wanted to, you can actually take this tonneau cover and store it in this area right here of the storage floor. Now that's nifty, huh? When you want to close this up, all you got to do, press this little button, beep, beep, beep again, and it's going to close up for you. Coming around, give you a nice side profile view of that beautiful jade metallic color. Oh man, this car looks sharp. Let's get closer inside now. Starting with the front door right here, you can see you've got the little button on it for the intelligent keyless entry system. When you bring it up, all you gotta do is push this button once, driver's door unlocks, press it a second time, everyone's door unlocks. When you get out, all you gotta do is push it once, everyone's door locks up, and you didn't even have to take your keys out of your pocket. Now you got this nice soft touch armrest right here, and you can see driver gets an automatic window, and you got all the window buttons right here. All your lockouts and your mirror adjusters just above that. Next to the driver's steering wheel, you've got your traction control, your sport mode, your liftgate button, hill descent control, all-wheel drive lock, your sonar system, and your eco button. And the reason I say that is because you actually have a blind spot monitor system. So this little guy right here lights up when something's in your blind spot, and if you attempt to drive into it, the vehicle will let you know with an audible alert. Just beside that right there, or underneath, that's going to be the buttons for your 6-way adjustable power driver seat with lumbar support. And you get that beautiful, nice perforated leather for added comfort as well. Into the rear of the vehicle, where you get much of the same as far as styling is concerned. You do have a 60-40 split folding rear seat, or a 40-20-40 split folding rear seat, which is the configuration you can see here right now, as an armrest with cup holders, or as a pass-through for skis and the like, and all that sort of fun stuff. These seats also tilt forward and back for added comfort, especially great for long drives. Flipping this up out of the way, you can see just how far those seats actually fold back right there, and you can actually install up to 2 car seats in this vehicle, but you can install them in one of 3 positions. Lastly, rear passengers also have air louvers for their added comfort, and to give you a sense of how big that beautiful panoramic sunroof is, look at the size of that thing. Isn't that gorgeous? Sitting behind the steering wheel now, you'll notice it's a beautiful leather-wrapped steering wheel. On the left-hand side are all your audio system and information system controls. At the right-hand side, taking care of your cruise control functions and your Bluetooth controls. Right here, you've got this little button that's going to take care of switching between your fuel economy, your turn-by-turn navigation directions that can pop up on that screen. Oh yeah, life-changing. Life-changing having that up there, because it's so much easier when you need to change lanes or navigate the 401 or downtown Toronto. Heck, even downtown Ottawa gets a little easier or something like that. Audio system, so you can see what radio station's playing. You've got your blind spot monitor button right there, and you even have a forward collision prevention system, which is uncanny and next level. You will never feel safer driving around in this city until you drive a vehicle that has that. You have your driving aids right there, tire pressure monitoring system, any warnings that need to pop up for oil changes or any problems with the car, your settings that you can change right there, and then we go back through the rest of those screens. Only 74,000 kilometers on this vehicle, so that's fantastic. You also get automatic headlights with it, and then you can see right over there all your wiping systems. You get a Bose premium audio system with this vehicle as well too, so you get concert level stereo in this vehicle. Now, first thing I want to show off here is your rear view camera. So you get your backup camera, and then you have your round view monitor system right there, so you get that bird's eye view. You also get a moving object detection, so if anything moves into that, you'll get a audible warning, and a big visible bar will pop up around here. You also have a curb distance monitor, which makes sure you never scratch up your alloys when you're trying to parallel park. And you even have a front camera, so when you're trying to pull into a space, you never scrape your front bumper. Now, the map right here, great, easy to use. You can even have it pop up to give turn-by-turn directions and what's coming up next on one side, the map on the other, or you can have it as the map the whole time. For your audio system, you've got Sirius XM satellite radio, and you get 3 banks of presets for that. You also have AM and FM presets that you can save, CD inputs, as well as auxiliary. This will support USB devices, Apple devices via USB memory sticks, and even Bluetooth streaming audio. So millions of ways to connect to this car in order to be able to pump your favorite tunes. You get a dual zone automatic climate control system right here, so nice and easy to use. Both driver and passenger can use these easy to use dials to set their own temperature. You've got automatic right there if you want the computer to take over to choose where to blow the air and how hard to blow it until it's reached the desired internal temperature of the vehicle. And then you can see right there, once the driver changes his, passengers can stay whatever temperature it wants to be. Mode button right here in order to be able to select where you want that air to blow, and then you have your recirculator as well there too. And lastly, your rear defroster will turn on your heated outside mirrors. Just below that, you've got your USB and auxiliary ports and a power plug. That's going to be what your shifter looks like, and then you've got your heated seat buttons right there. Lastly, that's going to be your auto-dimming rear view mirror, and behind that, spot for shades, your interior lighting controls, your Bluetooth microphones right around here, and your sunroof controls. That's been a quick tour of our Nissan Rogue SL 2015, available here today at Hunt Club Nissan. The showroom's open 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. Monday to Friday, 9 to 5 on Saturdays, and we're always available online at huntclubnissan.com. My name's Jason. Thanks so much for joining me here today, and we'll catch you in the next one.